Want to edit your Instagram Reels directly on your phone without any extra apps? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to do that. First of all, open the Instagram app. Now you want to tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Now swipe to Reels. Once you get here, either record a new clip or select one from your gallery. Now you want to tap on Edit Video option. As you can see, you are brought to the inbuilt editor of Instagram. Now over here, you can simply trim the clips. If you want, you can add audio or you can add text. You can also adjust the volume, speed, crop the video, split, replace, or extract the audio. Now to add an audio, tap on Add Audio option. From here, you can select any song you want. There are different tabs such as trending, saved, original audio, or you can import one from your device as well. Once you've found your preferred song, simply add that. Now you can also adjust the volume, fade in or fade out. You can also generate beats. You can adjust the music, add lyrics or duplicate. Once you're happy with your video, simply tap on this arrow icon. Now you can tag people, add location, and then simply tap on the share option. And in this way, you can easily edit Instagram Reels on phone. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.